What's up everyone? The summer is ending, fall is beginning, and it's a perfect time to head out into the wilderness. I'm here at Falls Creek, going to be checking out a waterfall. Hopefully it's going to be a nice day, packed with nice images. So let's check it out. So this is just a really nice hike. This is so relaxing. The incline is very small, so it's a little bit of a workout, so that's great. It's just pleasant. The air is nice. You got the water right next to you the whole way through. And wow, it's just a pleasant hike. I'm really enjoying this. It's not rocky at all. You're not turning your ankles very much. And it's nice on your knees. Could be something that you could take your family to, and something that you can just bring little kids even, but not much of a challenge, not difficult at all, not many fall hazards either. So definitely recommend this for a family trip. So I really hope you enjoyed this content, enjoyed my trips, enjoyed some of the tips and tricks of photography, and hopefully you're getting out there trying out these hikes. But if you're really enjoying it, please smash that like button. I'd like to see if you're interested in different areas. I do live in the Pacific Northwest, so give me a comment below. What do you think I should be doing? Where should I head next? And I'll try to make that happen. I'm really thoroughly enjoying these trips, and although they take a lot of work and planning, and once I'm out here, I'm just basking in it. I'm really enjoying it. So hit that comment button and let me know what you think. I'm starting to hear some of the sounds of the waterfall, and over my shoulder right over there, it looks like we've reached our location. Super excited. So I'm going to try something a little bit different here. I'm going to be shooting a panel just so I can get the whole landscape across. I'm going to be standing down there in the corner and see how it turns out. And I'm shooting at 1 second exposure, 1 second of exposure at 11, f11 at ISO 50. So we'll see how it turns out. I've never done this type of thing before where I stitched to make a landscape orientation photo. But I am shooting in portrait mode right here, and I'm just going to be making sure that my tripod is level, and it should come out nice. Make sure your tripod is always level. If you do that, you're going to end up cropping way too much. So make sure you do it. attempt to kind of shoot with the human element down there on my left here. but I think I'm gonna try to do something a little crazy and try to go over there in that corner, that steep corner over there, to create a different human element, a different area right there. So wish me luck. I might bring this thing just so you can experience the trek over there. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is a little scary, but we're gonna try to get to that point right over there. So we'll see how it goes. Might be a bad idea, but you know, I love this stuff. I love it, but I'm afraid of it. But I feel like it's hashtag worth it. Just so you know where my feet are. We're looking straight down and getting a little wet. Look like a mess. It's beautiful. I'm getting soaked. This is how you do it. It's hashtag worth it. I made it. So, just gonna have a seat here. I'm gonna take this shot. It's all about the selfie. It's all about the gram, I guess, right? That's what people say. But this is landscape photography. I don't want it just to be about the gram, but when you create that human element just a little bit, oh man, that photo can be worth it. And although I'm soaking wet right now, I find it very gratifying that I'm soaking wet and still got my image. Love it. There you go, there you go. So I forgot to share my settings. I shot at 1 second of exposure. My ISO was at 50 and my f-stop was at 11. You tell me in the comments below what you think was better. The human element on the right side or the human element on the left side. Let me know in the comments below which one you like more. So what I really like about this waterfall is it's a 2-tier waterfall. So there's so many angles you can get on this waterfall that it's just, your mind just goes crazy and you have so many ideas. So I really enjoyed that first tier. I'm heading out to the second tier now. It looks like a tabletop. Water is just pouring off the edge of it. It creates some nice lines, some nice texture, and really beautiful. So I'm literally standing in the middle of the waterfall right now. I had to cross over some rocks and it's pretty scary, pretty slippery, but it was worth it. I'm dead center of this second tier and it looks gorgeous, as you can see behind me. I'm trying to balance on a rock right now, so sorry. What's really nice here is we have little mini waterfalls in the front, in the foreground. That's gonna create some interest and it's gonna lead up into a majestic waterfall. So we're gonna figure out what our settings are right now. I just took my photo and my settings were at 1/2 of a second, ISO 50 at f13. The reason why I did such a dark photo is because I wanted to capture all the detail and the highlights, so exposed for that a little bit, but I hope it turns out great. I highly recommend this hike here. I highly recommend this trek. It's such an easy trek, a little bit dangerous towards the end, but it's well worth it. You can take your family here, maybe not on the second tier, it's a little difficult, but tier 1, tier 2, magical. So you gotta definitely check out this place. One of the best hikes I've been on since I got here. So definitely a highly recommended hike. I really thank you for joining me on all these episodes so far. I've really enjoyed making this content for you. If you like this video, please like this. Please share it with all your friends and family if they're interested, and I really thank you for joining me. Thank you to all the subscribers so far, and I hope you join me next time. Keep a lookout for the fall episodes that are going to be coming up sometime next month. Thanks so much for joining me, and no matter where you are, you got to keep chasing the light. Thanks for joining me. Peace.